I want to make this quick video about something that probably some of you already know, but I didn't know that. So let's assume you got the HP laptop from eBay, or you buy it from the company, or you got it from a friend. Assuming this is a business model laptop like ProBook, like EliteBook and stuff. So this is only related to business models. Google what are exactly those lineups. I don't have time to do this. So usually if it's off corporate environment, there is no hard drive, and when you boot it up and you want to go and change some BIOS settings, you see this administrator password request, and obviously nobody will give you this password, and you can try whatever you like and it will not help you. And there is no key chance, there is no, let's say, there is no gray wave except of soldering a new memory module for BIOS to restore this password. So you cannot get it. You can try, and you can end up only with this: system locked, press the power button to restart the system. So switch it off. All you need to do, you need to call an HP support, give them explanation, where did you get this laptop, why do you need it unlocked, and they will send you a small file. I'll put some links in the description. And then the trick is, you have to put this file onto the flash USB stick of not more than 2 gigabytes. I tried many USB flash drives and I ended up using the memory card as instead of a flash drive, and the card reader. Very simple and straightforward. You have to format the flash module or the memory card with FAT32, not the normal FAT, not an NTFS, not EXFAT, FAT32. So you format this, you put the file in, you plug it into the port. Usually you should start from the left side close to the screen, and then you have to push arrow down, arrow up, and Windows key, and simultaneously click the power button. Then you see some notification on your flash drive that it works, and then you see this SMC command handled, and during that moment you have to press F10. I missed that intentionally, so let me do this once again. You click arrow down, arrow up, Windows key, and simultaneously the power key. Hold it. When you see this command, press F10. That's it. And enter. Sometimes you need to press enter, sometimes you don't. That's it. You enter the BIOS without actually exposing original password. And then you go here and reset BIOS security to factory default, means no password. And then it warns you that if you will reset the BIOS password and your Windows hard drive was BitLocker encrypted, then you lose all the data. So, but since you got it probably without the hard drive anyway, it's safe. And also all the settings goes default, but that's not that important. Okay, so save, yes, exit. And probably you want to remove the flash drive before exiting. Okay, and now you see another warning. The following configuration change was requested to this computer's trusted platform module, TPM. Clear the TPM. You need to click F1, accept. And then you got your standard boot menu. To clarify and to prove that everything is working, let's put it up one more time. That's it. No password. The trick is you have to strip your laptop of anything that you plugged into this. You have to use the original memory module. You have to remove everything. It should be just a bare minimum to launch it. Nothing should be plugged into the laptop, because in any other way it will fail. It will not update the BIOS. It will not reset the BIOS password. And also you have to use 2 gigabytes memory module or a flash drive or whatever you can find. And now these days it's difficult to find anything of 2 GB. I tried many memory modules of 4 gigabytes, 16 gigabytes. I create custom partitions, didn't help. You have to go exactly with 2 gigabytes. And then you have to format it with FAT32, not FAT, not NTFS, not EXFAT, not whatever you think it would be better. You have to format it with FAT32, put one file in, plug it into the USB port. If this USB port doesn't work for you, try another one. It works. This is the only legitimate way to clear the BIOS password, because the password itself is not exposed, so corporations are not exposed with their security is not exposed. You can just clear the password. And also the data, if it's a corporate laptop and for some reason it was the hard drive in there, the data is safe, because as soon as you reset the BIOS password, the BitLocker encrypted hard drive becomes unusable. All the data becomes trash. The only thing you can do is just reformat it. So it's pretty safe for everyone. It's a win-win solution. For some reason I didn't have this description anywhere. All you need to do, you need to call an HP, and when the automated voice system asks you for the shortcut, you can say business laptop, and it will connect you directly to the operator, and you will give to the operator UUID and the serial number. And be patient. UUID is like gazillion digits and letters, and you have to be very precise. I know a lot of people who did this mistake, who rushed through these numbers and letters and mixed them up, and then you will fail eventually. Everything must be precise. And within 24 hours you will receive an email with a small file which you're going to put on the flash drive, and it will clear your BIOS password. That's it. Thank you for watching and good luck.